Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Princess Rosalina from Mario. And I didn't use any VIP for this, well, except for one skirt, which I don't think it's super necessary if you don't have it, which is this one. You can replace it with some other skirts. Probably, like, I would go with this. But I just like the fit a little bit better. But that's the only VIP item that I use. The rest is a free item. Removing everything except for the ones I did adjustments on, which is just the hair. Select this hair. Oh my gosh, hold on. This is not looking up to par. What is this area? Like, is it from this? No. It's from this. Okay. Sorry, let me just redo that. Select this hair in this color. Bangs only, position the Y at 0.45, Z 0.42. Grab this hair in the same color in the first toggle, position the Y at 2.51. Grab this hair in the same color, position the Y at 0.49, Z 0.75. Grab this necklace from outside of VIP and color it this color, BE, 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 and FFD769. In the second toggle, position the Y to 0.28, Z 0.36, rotate the X to 0.52, and scale it to 0.99. Grab this crown from Co's and color it this gray, 9E, 9E, 9E for both. Position the Y at 0.58, Z 0.48, and scale it to 0.28. It's this one over here, by the way. Grab these earrings, this one, in 808080 and DC136E. Second one, I think I did foil. I'm not sure. I think I did the normal one actually, or silk, I don't remember. But position the X to 0.42, Y 0.83, Z 0.62, rotate the X to 0.55, Y 0.6, Z 0.48, and scale it to 1. Grab these pearl earrings in 277cc0 in silk, position the Y at 0.84, Z 0.38, and scale it to 0.24. Now for the outfit part, we're going to go here, grab this one in this kind of, I'm just going to make it a little bit blue actually, A8, F8, F5 for both, except for the last one except for the third one, sorry, color it white. For the sleeves, we're going to use these. You can also use the one from the World Cultures Day. It's up to you which one you want to use. I'm just going to use this one in light silk, except for the last sleeves here. I'm going to color the rest white. For the skirt part, I just kind of did a lot with it. I used this one from World Cultures in that same blue color in silk. And I just want to cover this area up. So you can actually just leave it like this if you want to. It's just annoying. I'm just going to layer on some skirt here. And then I'm going to add, I think I added this to actually cover it up. And I don't think we even need the VIP skirt at all. I think I'm just going to leave that out. And I think that's it. Let me actually see what. Let me check the reference again and see if I missed anything. Oh, okay. Well, she does carry around a wand. So you could do that as well with the sparkly thingies. I don't know, sprinklers. But that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.